So here we have this question which is based on differential equations. So as you can see, we are given x minus 2 times e raised to y dy plus y plus x times sine of x dx is equal to 0, and we are required to solve this. Now the first thing which we should take into consideration is the placement of dy and dx. So the general form of the differential equation is supposed to be m times dx plus n times dy is equal to 0. So in this case, you can see that we have got dy placed first. So the multiplier of dy is going to be n, which in this case is x minus 2 times e raised to y. And likewise, we have got the multiplier of dx, which we are going to declare as m. So it is going to be y plus x times sine of x. The next part, we are going to check whether the differential equation is an exact differential equation. For that, we need to differentiate m partially with respect to the y variable. So in this case, you can see there is only one term which is with y. So the derivative of this is going to be 1, and likewise we got to differentiate n with respect to x partially. So again this is going to be 1. So since we get that the partial derivative of m with respect to y equals the partial derivative of m with respect to x, the given differential equation is going to be exact. And since it is an exact differential equation, its solution is simply given by the integral of m with respect to x. In this case we treat y as a constant, and plus integral of terms in n which are free from x, which means it doesn't contain x, and this we got to differentiate with respect to y is equal to constant c. So first let us have a look at integral m dx. So integral m dx is going to be, now this is m here, so let's integrate that with respect to x and keep y as a constant. So we got to integrate y plus sine of x into x with respect to x. The integration of y is going to be x into y, since we treat that as a constant. And for integral of x sin x, we are going to use the integration by parts rule. This is going to be sine of x minus x into cos of x. And likewise the second term, terms in n which are free from x. So have a look at n. In n there are two terms. This term, the first term contains x, so we are not going to consider that. So the only thing which we are going to integrate is this. So we are going to have integration of negative 2e raised to y dy, and this is going to be negative 2 e raised to y. So therefore the general solution, or the solution of the given exact differential equation, is going to be x into y plus sine of x minus x into cos of x, and then the other part is going to be negative 2 e raised to y is equal to c. So that's the solution.